The Chupacabra Mystery. It began in the quiet hills of Puerto Rico in the mid-1990s. Farmers awoke to find their livestock, goats, chickens, and cattle, dead, their bodies drained of blood through precise, almost surgical puncture wounds. No tracks led away, no signs of struggle. The locals whispered a name that would soon travel the world: El Chupacabra, the goat sucker. Witnesses described it as a creature unlike anything they had ever seen. Some said it was reptilian, with scaly gray-green skin, spines down its back, and glowing red eyes. Others swore it looked more like a strange hairless dog with an arched spine and fangs too long for its jaw. It attacked at night, moving silently, leaving only fear and empty carcasses behind. News spread rapidly, and soon reports emerged across Latin America, Mexico, and even the southern United States. Wherever the chupacabra went, livestock deaths followed. Skeptics, of course, had explanations. They blamed wild dogs, coyotes suffering from mange, or even cult activity. But these rational answers couldn't quiet the unease. The precision of the wounds, the lack of tracks, and the sheer number of cases suggested something else, something that didn't fit within nature's known order. Some began to speculate that it was a product of science gone wrong, a genetic experiment that escaped from a lab, or perhaps a creature altered by exposure to chemical or biological agents. Others pointed skyward, connecting the first sightings with UFO activity in Puerto Rico's skies. Folklorists, meanwhile, saw the chupacabra as part of a much older tradition. Every culture has its blood drinkers, the vampires of Europe, the aswang of the Philippines, the shape-shifting beasts of native lore. Perhaps, they argued, the chupacabra was a modern myth born from the anxieties of its time: economic hardship, fear of technology, distrust of authority. A monster for the modern age. Yet even today, the legend refuses to die. Farmers still report strange killings. Trail cameras capture eerie shapes in the night. Hairless canines appear, examined by biologists who find nothing supernatural, yet their unsettling forms keep the story alive. The chupacabra has crossed from rumor into iconography, featured in television shows, news reports, and even scientific debates about how myths evolve in real time. Maybe it was never about the creature itself, but what it represents, the line between fear and wonder, folklore and fact. Whether it was a wild animal, an experiment, or simply the echo of humanity's need to explain the unexplainable, the mystery of the chupacabra endures, haunting the edges of our imagination where the night still holds secrets.